Well, the LA Coliseum was probably the last time we're going to see Chase Sexton on a Honda, and it basically ended how his time on Honda has gone, with a crash, leading in the final race, or Moto 2 of the LA Coliseum final round of SMX, and this. Typical chase and fall Sexton. Had the win in the bag. Nobody needed to push him. He didn't need to go super hard. And after the whole summer chasing Jet, where he caught him and fell multiple times, well, this time he was leading Jet and fell. Now, apparently he got up and walked away, but looked pretty sore. So is he injured? Who knows? This looks like that's a pretty heavy crash to go nose first, shoulder first, right into the ground. And we have seen that Chase Sexton does bounce up pretty easily. He does get away with a lot of things. But if this is going to be his exit from Honda and his introducing or next step into KTM, which is we all think, it's not going to be a very good start. If he does end up injured and it delays his progression or track time, whatever you want to call it, on the KTM, it's not going to be very good. And especially to lose, have the sour taste in your mouth after all summer long, maybe finally getting a little bit of like momentum going, and then that happens, well, obviously it's not going to be very good. But in the comments below, tell me, did you like the SMX playoffs? What was your favorite round? Are you happy Jet won? Whatever it is, comment down below. As you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.